Let me show you how easy it is to create a YouTube automation channel for comic book videos, or rather animated comic book style videos. I'm gonna start off by saying that the process is almost fully automated. We'll use Flixier to generate the scripts as well as the images and voiceovers. The first step you need to take is to follow the link in the description and use Flixier to generate the script for your comic book story. Let's ask it to generate a script for a comic about a panda bear who's secretly a superhero of the forest or something similar. Once we've done that, we'll select whether we want to publish it on YouTube or another platform, then pick the length we want for our story. Afterwards, we wait for the script to generate. After the script is ready, copy the text, head over to Flixier.com and click on Get Started or create an account if you don't already have one. Next, go to the Import section and choose the Text-to-Speech option. Then select an AI-generated voice. Look for a voice that matches the style of your comic book. Once you find the right voice, paste your text into the text-to-speech generator and import everything onto the timeline. Once your voiceover has been generated, you can review it. If there are any long pauses, you can cut them out. After ensuring the audio is good to go, you can move on to generating the images. To do this, use the AI tool in the lower left section of the platform. Here, you need to describe each scene. For a more dynamic comic book, I recommend generating 3 to 5 images for each scene. For example, you can write a description like a panda bear dressed as a ninja doing something specific. Once you've added your prompt, you'll need to select the resolution. I recommend going for 16:9 if you're creating videos for YouTube. Then choose the style. In our case, comic book works best. However, you can also try other styles to see if they fit better. Pro tip: if you don't want to write each scene description yourself, you can copy the script, open ChatGPT, paste it, and ask it to split the text into scenes. For each scene, ask it to generate 5 prompts that describe the action, which you can use to generate images for later. It's important to ask for prompts, not images. Once ChatGPT provides you with 5 prompts per scene, you can copy them and paste them into the AI tool inside Flixier. When the images for each scene have been generated, you can place them on the timeline and adjust their display time by dragging the images depending on the script. Once your images are arranged, you can add transitions to make everything look smoother. To do this, go to the Transitions section in the left-hand menu on Flixier. You can select one or more transitions and place them between the images. After that, you can also generate subtitles. This step isn't mandatory, but it helps grab viewers' attention and keeps them engaged. Finally, you can add some fitting background music by going to the Audio tab on the left. Here, you'll find dozens of copyright-free tracks that you can use in your videos. Just drag any music track down to the timeline, then adjust its volume from the right side menu. I recommend lowering it to around 5 or 10% so it doesn't overpower the narration. Once you've done all that, I also recommend adding an animated subscribe button. You can find this under the motion graphics section on the left. Adding this will encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Finally, you can export the video or upload it directly to YouTube by linking your YouTube and Flixier accounts together. I hope this video helps. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and check out our channel for more tutorials.